Hey everyone and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to edit a contact form on Shopify. So there are two ways to add a contact form. Either you can add any kind of application or simply head over to your online store, and now we need to edit the theme. So since you need to add the contact form and edit it, let's just add a section over here and search in here for contact form. Add that over here, and to edit it, let's just say you want to um, change its width or maybe increase it. If you wanna simply change the stuff that it says, you're gonna be modifying the code since that is directly not available. But if you want to change the contact us, you can easily do that. Like for example, contact for more, and you have your name. You can see you can change its theme if you want to do that. You see the theme has changed, looking pretty good. So this is how you can edit a contact form on Shopify.